This lesson is going to review how to write a problem solution essay. First of all, what is a problem solution essay? Well, first of all, it's going to describe some kind of problem. And then it's going to explain a solution to the problem. The topics for these essays could be real-life situations, such as maybe your town is experiencing vandalism at the local playground, and so now you need to come up with some solutions to that problem. Or you can write these essays in response to something that you've read, some work of fiction. So, for instance, maybe the character has some kind of problem, and so you need to either come up with solutions for your character, or your character has a few solutions that he or she works through, and you are writing about those solutions. The overall format, in your first paragraph you're going to state the problem. Usually the very first sentence will be stating the problem. That way your reader knows right away what the issue is. And then in the following paragraphs you're going to describe the solution, and you're going to make sure that you use a lot of details to do so. Details are really important at all points of the essay to support what you're saying. So, for instance, in that first paragraph when you stated the problem, you should use details to describe it, and then you should make sure you follow up with your solution with a great deal of detail. And then, finally, your overall length is going to be 2 to 3 paragraphs. So, first paragraph, the problem, second and third paragraph, the solution, with details, and then you're going to end that last paragraph with some kind of concluding sentence that wraps up either an overall idea of the possible solutions, if you're not sure which one's going to work yet, or in the case of responding to fiction, whichever solution did work for the character. And remember, when you're doing your concluding sentence, start with some kind of transition word. Finally is always a good transition word to let your readers know that you're wrapping up. So that if you're at a loss, if you're not sure which word to use to start your concluding sentence, I would recommend going with finally.